Hello guys, we're back in the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make decent money on hypixel skyboock. I just recorded another video of one of these, but my mom called, so I answered that instead of recording a YouTube video. So I will be showing you guys how to get diamonds and one of the best ways to make money. This does require a pretty high level of mining and all that. I will show you guys how to get diamonds and all that, so just in case if you guys are new. So diamond minions, yes. Alright, there's two other minions back there I will be showing in just a second. So like this. Alright, you guys want to get diamond minions, don't need to access that. Once you guys mine enough diamonds, you will get this item called diamond spreading. This is pretty good because it gives you extra diamonds every once in a while. I will collect that. Alright. Guys, I will be showing you the main income of my island. Okay? It's 1 minion. 1. Yes, you guessed it. Mythical. You can actually mine it on your own island, which is very sad because they have not added that feature yet. But I will be showing you guys how to get mithril in the next episode. Yes, ooga booga. So, you guys want to come? All right, you guys want to go do /warp hub. All right, you guys, this is meant for hypixel. So, if you guys are on Bedrock or any of that, this will not work for you. You cannot join hypixel. You have to have Java Edition. So, you guys want to enter that. You guys will be taken to the hub. This is for all the new players, all right? Start looking around and all of that. So, until you find this sign right here. It says coal mine right there and farm. You guys want to go to the coal mine. All right? I'll be showing you guys when we get there. But you just want to keep going straight. Well, not, you kind of want to go straight. Like once it shows the arrow from the coal mine thing, just take a right turn and go straight that way. And you'll be taken into the coal mine. Keep going straight. I will say that, okay? Keep going straight. No matter what. Until you go to the deep caverns. That requires mining level 5. So if you guys do not have that, just go to the gold mine, all right, and mine coal, iron, and gold. So that way you guys can get mining level 5. This is pretty bad for some people because they don't have armor, but they will make it through this. Eventually, they will get it, and of course, I believe in everyone. So here, we are in the gold mine. Alright, you guys want to go up this. There's the entrance, and there's the way that you need to go. Alright, guys. So, I will actually be demonstrating how you can unlock every single place in the deep caverns. Make sure you deposit all your coins, because this will make you die. And it will not get you banned. It will just make you die. So, because you're falling into the void. Alright, I will be showing you guys now. So, once you guys get to the deep caverns, it's going to look like this, alright? There's the gold mine, but you don't want to go back to the gold mine. Alright, guys? So, here. Okay, you guys want to come to the left side fire pillar, right here, on the side of the entrance. Walk down towards the lava. Do not fall into the lava, okay? Now, we are down here. As you can see, there's a bunch of lava. And as you can see, there's the spawn. Just come down here to this side of the lava. Okay, guys? I will be doing it with you, so that way you guys know. But I already have done this, so here. Okay, you guys do this. Go off straight down right here, okay? I've already unlocked all of this stuff, so it doesn't really matter. See, I lost coins, but it's not a big deal because I only have 63 left. So you guys want to walk in, all right? Like I said, go to the right again, okay? There's the entrance, and there's the right, all right? Just look for this. All right. This side has the 2. Don't worry about those creepers. There's the 2 over there, but you actually guys want to go over to this one. Once you guys start walking in this direction, you guys will see the lift operator, okay? I want you guys to go to him, okay? And left click on him. See what happens. We'll pull up a menu. You cannot access the dwarven mines unless if you have the heart of the mountain, which is very, very expensive. For all those new people, do not go to the obsidian sanitary. You will die, okay? So, what I want you guys to do is go to the slime hill. All right, it's the emerald. Oh, sorry. Actually, we'll just go for you guys. You know what? Hold on. All right. You guys just actually go back to the lift operator here and click Diamond Reserve. Be careful. This is very dangerous. If you guys want me to add, if you guys want to add me, my name is We Like Fortnite 74 on Minecraft on hypixel. Okay, guys. And as you guys can see, boom, diamonds. All right, diamonds. Yes, diamonds. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. A lot of people just normally originally unlock it. I don't think that's really that good of an idea because it took me an hour just to get everything, like to find all the important stuff for it took me an hour to find every single place on this until I watched the video in the deep caverns. And I want you guys to mine a couple of diamonds until you guys mine. Hold on, let me check real quick. Collection, mining, diamond. I want you guys to mine 50 diamonds. And if you guys have at least 1,000 bones or so, 1,000 say coins, and I want you guys to go to the hub and what do you guys you guys can't comment, so if you guys have farming level 7, mining level 7, and forging level 7, go to the bazaar, okay? And it will look like this for you guys. For all the people who do not know, I'll show you guys how to make decent money off of this too. Okay, so what you guys want to do is mining, alright? If you guys have 1,000, this will be much easier for you. Go to diamond. Don't buy any of this. This is way too expensive for you guys. As you can see, 400k, 200k. Alright, you guys want to go here, click on normal diamond, alright? You guys want to buy instant. You guys, I would cost 7k. I would not recommend that. Buy a stack, which is only 500 coins. As you can see, I'm not afford this because I do not have any stuff in my bank. Well, in my out my bank. I have 165k from this method in about 2 days, so I would try it. Okay, you guys want to go back to your island. Alright, you guys want to get some wood, for sure. As I told you guys, I have a wood minion. I will be showing you guys a pretty good way. So, okay, what you guys need to do is craft a wooden pickaxe. A lot of people know how to do that, so I'm not worried. Okay, craft one. Alright, get your diamonds in this formation. Alright, just drag it along. Alright, and make sure you have enough diamonds. It's 16, so you only need 10, okay? So let's see how much I got extra here. 48 diamonds extra. So, as you can see, you got that. If you don't have any room for your minions, for this minion, I would recommend get rid of one of your, like, not important minions. So that way, you can get some diamonds, alright? You do not have to wait for them to generate at all. You can mine them, they can mine them. If you're AFK or if you're offline, they can still mine for you, which I really like about minions in this game. As you can see, I'm pretty good at the game, but I mean, Mithril, once you guys get that, it's gonna be a banger. So you guys gotta go to the Dwarven mines for that, but you guys got to get 10 enchanted coal, 10 enchanted armor, gold and iron, 10 enchanted of basically every ore, besides obsidian, all of that kind of stuff. It's only iron, gold, emerald, diamond, and coal. That's it. So that's all you guys need for that. And just once you guys get the recipe for enchanted diamonds, make sure you craft all your diamonds, if you can, into enchanted diamonds, guys. That will increase your output of money by so much. I will be showing you guys how much money you can make. Do /warp hub, okay? /warp hub. Alright. And you guys want to go to the bazaar. Again, if you have it, you can sell it at the mining vendor too, but this will not work. Well, you won't make as much money as you can, well, as basically. Alright, guys. So, basically, what you guys want to do, hold on. Alright. Click on mining, okay? Click on mining in the bazaar, okay? Right here. And go to diamond again, and go to enchanted diamonds. Once you guys have the recipe unlocked, okay? Only 4, and go to, here, I'll show you guys again. Go to create sell offer. It's all the way on the edge once you have the recipe unlocked and some. Then go to best offer and sell offer, okay? I will be hanging out with you guys for a bit because I'm gonna wait. It might take you guys a bit for it to fully get out of the process of filling out, because people don't really need enchanted diamonds. Okay, in this case, it just filled out for me. So you guys want to come right here to this book. I'll say manage orders, $5,000 to claim, depending on how much enchanted diamonds you put up. You guys want to click on manage orders and go to the diamond and press right click, and boom, just made yourself 5K. I already had some bank because I had stuff inside the manage order place. This gets bugged out a lot, so don't get excited if it does that. It's happened to me before. See, I can't claim anything. It's just going to be sitting there. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. You guys can subscribe if you want, or not subscribe at all. Or you guys can hit the like button, or if you're like a god, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the post notifications so that way you always know when I upload videos. See you guys later. Bye.